Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video. Today we'll take a look at the top 5 best mixer grinders that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. NutriBullet Dark Gray Blender. A great blender for making smoothies, chilled drinks, or hot soups. This upgraded appliance from NutriBullet is a versatile product to give you the best and consistent result over the years. The blender is easy to use. You can simply lock the pitcher into the base of the machine with the help of a handle and have a hands-free experience of making your favorite beverages. The powerful motor of the blender simply turns most foods into liquids in just a few seconds. You can now make the smoothies with any ingredient you want with different speed control, whether soft or hard. It is effortless to clean and takes very little time to rinse properly. At number 4. Prethe Platinum Mixer Grinder. Prethe Platinum Mixer Grinder comes with a powerful UL-approved motor for providing consistent results each time you use it. The 550 watts motor, which makes grinding more comfortable and quicker, makes it a favorite among professional and home chefs. The product comes with 3 stainless steel jars and sharp blades that are sturdy and rust-free. The lids of the jars are made of polycarbonate material, making them unbreakable. All the containers are airtight, thus, you can be sure of the non-spilling of ingredients while the appliance is switched on. With an excellent juice extractor, you can extract the juices of various fruits and vegetables while the pulp remains inside the filter jar. At number 3. Ninja Professional Countertop Blender. It's professional, high-powered kitchen tool with 1100-watt motor to make it easy to crush ice and pulverize tough ingredients. The 6-blade assembly allows you to turn ice to snow in seconds. A powerful motor combined with the Pro Extractor blades assembly breaks down whole fruits and veggies for refreshing, full-bodied nutrient juices. Blend your favorite frozen fruits directly into the cup, then simply twist on a lid to enjoy delicious smoothies on the go. With your Ninja Professional Blender, you can make all your favorite drinks, dips, and dressings. At number 2. Boss Excel Mixer Grinder. The Boss Excel Mixer Grinder is the perfect appliance your kitchen needs. Equipped with a powerful 750W motor, this mixer comes with 3 stainless steel jars. Sharp stainless blades makes the method of processing food much easier for you. With every usage, you get to experience smooth, fast, and hassle-free operations. The appliance comes with a 3-speed setting that makes blending and grinding easy, allowing you gradually to increase the speed without overloading the system. The mixer also bears an incher for momentary operation in case you want to do the grinding in your own rhythm. Finally, at number 1. NutriBullet Blender. If you are looking for a blender that makes the best smoothies and beverages and is accessible on your pocket as well, go for this NutriBullet blending machine. With a powerful motor of 1700-watt power, it makes purees and smooth liquid quickly, without taking much of your time. The blender looks attractive and very compact, thus, storing it will not take much of your kitchen storage space. It also gives you the option of 7 minutes of heating time to cook your favorite hot soups and sauces with its powerful motor. The customized recipe book included in this package guides you to make varieties of healthy soups and juices at home. Buy this to make homemade infant food or puree for your little one or delicious juices and soup for your family. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible.